Welcome to World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez. Today, spam and egg quesadilla. Let's cook. We got 3 eggs. Gonna season this with some Slap Your Mama. A little bit there. Mix this up. Scramble them. Okay, so now some butter in the pan. Add our eggs. Now we're going to add our tortilla, just like that. All right. Okay, now we're going to flip our tortilla. Oh yeah, look at that. Add some onions, fried onions, our spam, and our cheese. Using pepper jack, of course. Gonna fold this. Then we're going to flip this, the cheese melt. If you kids want to try this, make sure you ask your parents to help you out. Okay, our cheese is melted. Look at that, folks. World Famous Foods, spam, and egg quesadilla. Time to plate this. Okay, folks, here we go. Look at this. All right, World Famous Foods, spam, and egg quesadilla. You want to see this one? Look at that. Time to enjoy.